Presenting Dr. Trust 1101 Oxygen Concentrator. Let's start by putting distilled water into your humidification bottle. If you don't have distilled water, you can also use filtered water. Secure the lid and attach the humidification bottle to the side of the concentrator and connect with the tubing. Please ensure that the air filter is secure. Turn the machine on and give it a few moments to stabilize. Once you see the green light, you can turn the knob to set the liters per minute as prescribed by your doctor. You can also adjust the timer, O2 levels, and flow rate by pressing on the plus and minus signs. The oxygen is flowing and ready. Now connect one end of the cannula tubing to the humidifier and the other end just under the patient's nostrils, securing the tubing over the ears. Sit comfortably, relax, and breathe normally. After a few moments, you can check your O2 levels with your Dr. Trust oximeter. If using the nebulizer, please attach it to the concentrator with the tubing, turn the machine on, and add medicine as prescribed by the doctor. Please use as directed and turn the machine off once finished. Dr. Trust, trusted for life.